How to earn XP fast in Stumble, guys. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can earn XP fast in Stumble, guys. So let's get started. Now to earn XP fast in Stumble, guys, you must have to grind through special events and fast-paced special limited time events like 1v1 or short elimination modes rather than standard knockout queues. Winning quick events cuts down loading screen wait times and yields up to 500 XP or more per match, maximizing your leveling rate for the Stumble journey. And this way you can earn XP fast in Stumble, guys. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, queries, doubts, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.